Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Quick Review for the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open the camera app. So I'm going to click on camera. Alright, now I'm going to take a photo. And as you can see, once I take the photo, it doesn't automatically show me a preview of it. But if I click on the image, it'll show me a preview of the photo. Now to turn on Quick Review, you're going to go into the camera settings. So you're going to click on the gear icon. Once you're in the camera settings, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to turn on Quick Review. So you're going to slide the bar to the right. It says view pictures immediately after you take them. Once you turn it on, you can go out of the settings. And now I'm going to take another picture. As you can see, once I do that, it automatically opens a preview of the picture that I just took. Alright, so that's how you use Quick Review for the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.